us to a place. Guide us with your grace to a place where we'll be safe.
I pray we'll find your light.
Pray we'll find your light
And hold it in our heart.
and hold it in our heart.
When stars go out each night,
Stars go out each night.
remind us where you are.
Remind us where you are.
Let this be our prayer.
Let this be our prayer.
When shadows fill our day.
When shadows fill our day.
Oh Lord, lead us to a place. Oh my,
Guide us with your grace.
guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved. A world where pain and sorrow will be ended, and every heart that's broken will be mended, and we'll remember we are God's children, reaching out to touch you, reaching to the sky. We ask that life be kind, and watch us from above. We hope each soul will find another soul to love.
Another soul to love. Let this be our prayer. Let this be our prayer.
Just like every child.
Just like every child
Needs to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved. Need to find a place. Guide us with your grace.
Give us faith so